grateful to Tom Brown for taking me to places I wouldn't normally go. This is the Belle Époque Fantasia of Maxime's in Paris, where he's presenting his latest show. How much influence was this Belle Époque paradise of Maxime?
Very influential. I think you see it in the collection.
There's almost sort of a vaudevillian aspect to it.
Well, that is one of the most important things. I mean, I feel like my shows, and I feel like everybody's show, is the venue to really show things that people haven't seen. Just, it moves you forward in regards to thinking about clothing, I guess, and how you can dress.
What does an Italian menswear expert make of a show like that?
You take the funny bits, digest it, laugh about them, and then take the classics, the pinstripes, the stripes.
There's serious clothing in the collections, serious work. It's not just, fun. The woven tank tops, which were really, that was where the flapper dresses came from. It was actually taking a knit tank top and doing it actually interwoven fabric, so that was a big part of the collection.
You either like it or detest it.
I mean, your priority with something like this isn't to offer people clothes that they'll take into their everyday life. Really are trying to provoke a reaction.
Definitely try to provoke a reaction.
Whatever stands out most will get the most buzz.
So why do you do this to yourself?
It's fun. Putting things in front of people that really I think they maybe raise their eyebrows to and laugh about, and some love, some not so love, and I don't know, I have a really good time doing it.